I would like to show you 4 different ways to share a collection with your customers. From your dashboard, pick any collection that you would like to share with your customers. In the upper left corner, you will find all the sharing options available. Press the Share with your customers button. Here you will find 4 different ways that you can provide to your customer to provide instant access to this specific collection. The first one is to provide a direct URL to your customers. The URL is visible. You can simply click it to copy it, then you can use it in an email or in a blog post to share this specific collection to your customers. Another one is to search by date. Whenever you have search by date enabled in your store, your customers can simply search a collection by date. Another option is to provide a unique code to your customers. Each collection created will receive a unique code. This code can be shared with your customers and provides your customers with instant access to this specific collection. It can either be printed on a business card or provided in an email. Finally, you can send out invites. An invite is an email containing the direct URL. As an example, if I send myself the invite, send invite, your customers will receive an email containing a button and the direct URL.